3DEXPERIENCE offers several features and capabilities. Its ability to manage data in the cloud facilitates design reviews and collaboration across departments. The platform supports complex simulations, optimizations, and validations, which are essential for developing high-quality products. Additionally, its flexible licensing options and browser-based tools ensure that our team can work efficiently from anywhere, enhancing productivity and responsiveness. Welcome to Sunbird Industries Thailand, the newest addition to the Sunbird Group. In Sunbird, for over 20 years now, we've been specializing in automotive and aerospace manufacturing. Sunbird's vision is to be a leader in supporting clients at the adoption of new and exciting technologies. As a Tier 1 partner to the automotive and aerospace sectors, we work with both established, globally recognized manufacturers. From a leadership perspective, I recommend organizations seeking digital solutions to focus on platforms that offer scalability, flexibility, and integration. It is essential to choose solutions that not only address current needs, but also have the capability to evolve with the organization. Investing in future-ready platforms like 3DEXPERIENCE ensures that your organization can adapt to technological advancements and maintain a competitive edge. Emphasize the importance of collaboration, data security, and continuous improvement to drive sustainable growth. Sunbird Group positions itself on the global stage by consistently delivering high-quality products and services that meet international standards. Our adoption of platforms like 3DEXPERIENCE supports this ambition by providing us with the tools needed to innovate and collaborate effectively. By leveraging 3DEXPERIENCE, we can streamline our operations, enhance product development, and ensure that we remain competitive in the global market. This strategic decision reflects our commitment to excellence and our vision for sustainable growth.